Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.